Hello everyone, this is Amy. Think a greeting back home in general is just about a firm handshake or a friendly wave. In South Korea, tilting your upper body completely changes the meaning of your words. It's not about stiff, robotic movements or stress. It's simply a natural way to share everyday positive energy and show mutual care to the people around you. When you meet a coworker in the hallway or order an iced coffee at your neighborhood cafe, a casual 15-degree angle is all you need. You pair this natural gesture with a friendly, standard, polite register. Let's practice our primary everyday greeting phrase together. Listen closely. 안녕하세요. And repeat after me. 안녕하세요. On the flip side, when walking into a high-stakes business meeting or greeting a senior executive, you drop your shoulders deeper into a formal 45-degree bow. Let's practice the perfect honorific phrase to use for a formal first-time introduction. Listen closely. 처음 뵙겠습니다. Repeat after me. 처음 뵙겠습니다. Calibrating your physical movements to match your phrases is an easy, confident tool that keeps your daily networking smooth, highly respected, and completely street-ready. Subscribe to Bisset Study Abroad to unlock the next social code. Stay smart, talk happy. See ya!